nasty, Elijah.
I need tub.
Ew, what is that?
Huh?
What is that?
He's pee on that tub.
What is that, Elijah?
Pee.
Is pee?
Yeah. He's,
That stain right there is pee?
yeah, he's pee.
Ew.
Yeah, ew. Ew, I see another one.
Ew, you see another one, don't you?
Yeah. You gotta clean up.
We gotta clean that up, huh? You wanna take a bath?
It's nasty.
So you don't wanna take a bath in that?
No, it's nasty.
So what you gotta do to clean it?
Rub it up.
Alright, so what did we just do, Elijah?
Rub it up.
We just put water in the tub, right?
Yeah, and the toe, that's nasty.
Because it's nasty, right?
Yeah, I see it on the top.
But there goes some water in the tub right now. You don't want to take a bath in that?
Yeah.
But that's nasty water.
Ew.
So we can't take a bath in that water, huh?
Huh?
We can't take a bath in that water, huh?
Uh-huh.
No. So we gotta clean it, right?
Yeah. We just clean it.
Okay, so let's clean it. We're gonna use some of this magic foam and clean it because it's nasty, huh? Alright, so Elijah, leave that alone. Leave that alone. Now what do? We squirt it, right?
Fire.
Ooh, this ghetto shit. This shit's not even squirting out right.
Yeah.
Because it's ghetto.
Who did it?
Boo did that?
Yeah.
Boo did that.
Who?
Ooh.
Yeah, blue. Blue was until they pee. Until him. Huh?
You gonna clean it?
Yeah.
No, let me clean it.
No, what make it?
No, let me clean it.
No, what
You're not supposed to play with that. Let me have it. No, that's not for you. Okay? Okay, Elijah?
Yeah.
Oh.
This
How long did it take us to clean that?
welcome update.
Forever, right?
Forever.
It took forever. Okay. So you about to get in the tub now?
Yeah.
Because it's clean?